Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so you are doing well and alhamdulillah safe at your home. In the previous lecture we have started our unit operating system, and in this unit we will learn about operating system and the difference between hardware and software and how an operating system works. So today's topic is hardware and software, and the task you have to perform is a question you have to write and learn. So the question is, what is the difference between हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर? हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या डिफरेंस है वो बताएं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज हार्डवेयर एंड द सेकंड सॉफ्टवेयर. सो लेट्स सी what is the difference between hardware and software. The physical parts of our computer are called hardware. कंप्यूटर के जो फिजिकल पार्ट्स हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हार्डवेयर बोलते हैं. Physical means they have the physical existence. Like our body parts, legs, nose, eyes, they have physical existence. So same as it is, the parts of the computer that have physical existence and we can touch them are called hardware. And the software, set of instructions given to a computer, is called software. ऐसी इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो कंप्यूटर को दी जाती हैं ताकि वो वर्क कर सके उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं. And the software has not the physical existence and we cannot touch them. And the second difference is we can touch and feel the hardware. हम हार्डवेयर को touch and feel कर सकते हैं. Like our body parts that have the physical existence like nose, eyes, legs, etc. Same as it is, computer has some parts that we can touch and feel. So these parts are called hardware. We cannot touch and feel the software. Software को हम touch और feel नहीं कर सकते because they do not have the physically existence. So the third difference are the examples. Keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse and printer are examples of hardware. कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, सीपीयू और माउस, प्रिंटर वो क्या है? हार्डवेयर की एग्जांपल्स हैं. So you can see we can touch the keyboard and also monitor, CPU and printer, mouse. So these parts are called hardware. In the software, examples are MS Office, MS Windows, Adobe Flash and Adobe Photoshop are examples of software. These are all softwares and we cannot touch or feel them. Like in our body parts, the brain is working and apparently we cannot touch it. Same as it is in the computer, softwares are working and we cannot touch them. So let's see the examples of hardware. All these parts are called hardware. Base unit means CPU, monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard. So we can touch and feel all these parts and they have the physical existence, so these are called hardware. Softwares. In softwares, the examples are MS Office. In MS Office we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and MS Windows. MS Windows is an operating system and there are many variants like Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, etc. Adobe Flash Player. Adobe Flash Player made the videos possible to run on your computer. And the last one is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is also a software and it is used to Photoshop the pictures in different ways. So that's your assignment. I hope so you will easily understand and learn it. Thank you.